Welcome to today's video, where we dive into the mysterious and emotional world of abandoned classic cars. In forgotten corners and under layers of dust and grime, these vehicles are more than just rusting metal. They are untold stories and memories of a bygone era. From muscle cars left to decay to vintage models long forgotten, each car represents a slice of history and style from its time. Join us on this journey as we uncover the timeless charm and enduring beauty of these vehicles that time has left behind. The Rushton Classic Car Show is an exciting event for classic car and motorcycle enthusiasts, set to take place on August 4th, 2024 at Hall Park, Rushton. The event runs from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m., promising visitors an enjoyable experience with over 400 classic cars and motorcycles on display. In addition to admiring the unique vehicles, attendees will have the opportunity to explore around 40 local stalls offering a variety of interesting products and services. A special highlight of the show is the free entry, with an optional donation to the event fund, helping to support and grow the activities in the future. On August 3rd, 2024, the village of Kirkliston will become the focal point of a summer festival, attracting hundreds of visitors and local residents. The festival is not only an occasion for people to gather and enjoy the lively atmosphere, but also an opportunity to explore the beauty of nature through the flower show, where the finest flowers from local artisans will be on display. Additionally, the festival will feature a classic car exhibition, where vintage cars will be showcased, giving spectators a chance to admire unique mechanical works of art. Entertainment activities for children, live music, and a variety of food stalls will create a vibrant, friendly environment for everyone. The Kirkliston Summer Festival promises to be a joyful and memorable event, a time for the community to come together and enjoy the best that life has to offer. On August 11th, 2024, Connafox Park in Kirkliston, Scotland, will become an exciting destination for car enthusiasts with the Charity Classic, Vintage, and American Car Show. This event promises a thrilling day from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., where both classic and modern cars will be on display, capturing the attention of many participants. Connafox Park, known for its spacious grounds and beautiful natural scenery, will provide the perfect setting for this event. Located near Edinburgh at EH29 9ER, the park offers easy access for visitors from nearby areas. Attendees will have the opportunity to admire a wide range of unique vehicles, from iconic classic cars to powerful modern models. On May 6, 2024, Bowling Brothers will host the Hot Rods Open House and Barbecue at 28W Appia Street, Lindsay, California. This event offers a fantastic opportunity for classic car and custom car enthusiasts to gather, share their passion, and enjoy the lively atmosphere of an outdoor barbecue party. More than just an open house, it's a celebration for all those who love car culture. From 12 p.m. to 5 p.m., attendees will have the chance to admire unique hot rods, connect with fellow car owners, and learn car building secrets from industry experts. To ensure the event runs smoothly, organizers recommend bringing your own beverages. This is an ideal occasion to connect with like-minded individuals and create lasting memories. On August 10th, 2024, Crown Isle will host the Hot August Nights Classic Car Show, one of the largest classic car festivals in Comox, British Columbia. This event promises to attract hundreds of classic car enthusiasts, with over 500 vehicles ranging from muscle cars and hot rods to unique custom models. Before the main exhibition, on August 9th, the Comox Valley Cruise Parade will take place, offering car owners the opportunity to showcase their vehicles on the streets of Comox and Courtenay. This event is not only a chance for participants to admire classic cars, but also to connect with fellow car enthusiasts. It's sure to be a memorable day for both families and classic car lovers alike. The Sonad Car Auction is an exciting event for those looking to own a vehicle at an affordable price. At this auction, you can find a wide variety of cars with starting prices as low as $300. This is a great opportunity for anyone interested in purchasing used, pre-owned, or even new cars at competitive prices. The event is held regularly and attracts many car enthusiasts and investors. The vehicles offered at the auction range from compact cars to sports cars and SUVs, catering to various needs and preferences. To participate, you need to register in advance and can find detailed information about the available vehicles and participation conditions on Sonad's official website. Additionally, the auction provides an opportunity to learn about the real value of cars on the market, helping you make the best possible choice. Starting the restoration of a 1958 Plymouth is an exciting and challenging journey for classic car enthusiasts. This car not only embodies classic beauty, but also holds the potential to become a unique work of art. The process can begin with searching for a suitable vehicle, whether it's an original that needs restoration or a pre-owned one that still retains its historical value. This journey is more than just building a car. It's an opportunity to learn, explore, and connect with others who share the same passion. In this episode, Thomas returns to Eric's unique collection, showcasing an impressive array of classic vehicles, including trucks, blazers, and wagons. The collection features models from renowned brands like Dodge, Chevy, and Ford, offering viewers a deep dive into the passion for vintage cars. These old trucks are not only symbols of strength, but also easily upgraded over the years, especially the Chevy brand, which is beloved for its versatility and customization potential. Trucks have become an integral part of American culture, with some models considered among the greatest in history. This episode is sure to delight car enthusiasts and anyone with a love for nostalgia. Brown Auto Salvage is one of the top destinations for classic car enthusiasts, located in Texas. With over 3,000 vintage vehicles from the 1930s to the 1990s, it has become a treasure trove for those passionate about cars and their history. At Brown Auto Salvage, you can find a variety of unique vehicles, from classic sedans to rugged trucks, each with its own fascinating story. A special feature of Brown Auto Salvage is the collection of barn finds and field finds, where vehicles discovered in barns and fields carry not only financial value, but also cultural and historical significance, attracting collectors and car enthusiasts from around the world. The expedition to CTC Auto Ranch in Denton, Texas, takes us into a world filled with mystery and history. Here, we delve deeper into forgotten vehicles, ranging from classic models to once famous cars now reduced to rusty parts. This exploration goes beyond simply searching for parts or restoring cars. It's a journey into the culture and history of the automotive industry. Car enthusiasts come here not just to hunt for rare items, but also to connect with like-minded individuals, share experiences, and discover new things. CTC Auto Ranch is more than just a junkyard. It's an ideal destination for those who love exploration and want to learn more about the world of automobiles. In episode 22 of the series Chasing Crappy Cars, viewers are taken on an exciting exploration through a junkyard filled with abandoned Mustangs, muscle cars, and classic vehicles. Each car shows signs of deterioration, but still retains a distinct charm that captures the attention of any car enthusiast. This journey is not just a discovery of forgotten vehicles, but also a reminder to respect the legendary models that once symbolized power and style. From iconic Mustangs to other muscle cars, each vehicle represents a piece of automotive history and culture, and exploring them in such a junkyard provides a deep insight into what has come before. Kentucky is not only renowned for its natural beauty, but also serves as an ideal location for classic car enthusiasts. Here, classic cars are more than just transportation, they are symbols of history and culture. Events like classic car shows attract large crowds, offering opportunities to admire vehicles from the 1950s, 1960s, and 1970s. Additionally, Kentucky's peaceful rural roads provide the perfect backdrop for driving classic cars, creating unforgettable experiences. Classic car club gatherings often take place on weekends, where enthusiasts share their passion, exchange experiences, and showcase their beautifully restored vehicles. A 1969 Camaro Z28, recently discovered in a junkyard, has sparked excitement within the classic car community. This vehicle not only carries historical value, but also represents a symbol of power and striking design in the automotive world. The 1969 Z28 is considered a rarer version compared to the contemporary RS and SS models, which further enhances its value. The discovery has drawn the attention of collectors and thrilled many car enthusiasts. Additionally, other Camaro Z28s have been found in old warehouses, indicating a resurgence of interest in this model within the classic car community. These cars are not just modes of transportation, but also pieces of art, carrying the stories and memories of a bygone era. So, we've explored the fascinating world of abandoned classic cars, where each vehicle holds a piece of a larger story and a symbol of nostalgia and automotive passion. Even though these cars may be neglected and covered in dust, they still possess a unique allure and historical value. We hope this video has given you a deeper insight into this world and inspired thoughts about preserving and celebrating automotive heritage. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share the video to join us in discovering more amazing treasures in the realm of classic cars. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.